Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the Drool filter on TikTok. Really easy and simple to do. If you're unaware what that filter looks like, it just looks like this. If you're looking to get this filter, just stay tuned. It's really easy and simple to get. So all you have to do is head over to your TikTok application and open that up. Once you're on TikTok, you want to go to the Discover tab on the bottom here, and you just want to search for Drool at the very top. Once you search for the filter's name, you just want to go to videos, and you just want to find a filter or a video with the Drool filter on it. So let's just keep looking through here. If you're having trouble finding one, all you have to do is just search for filter beside Drool, and it should pop up a video with that filter. So you just want to scroll through, and you just want to find one with the filter on it. So we'll just scroll through and see if we can find one. Right here, for example. Once we find one, we can just go over the person's username and click on the little yellow link. And then all we have to do is click add to favorites, and it'll now be in our favorite filters when we go and use our videos next. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.